Hello. Welcome to Beyond Grammar Channel. Today, I will tell you a story about my family. I will speak in slow and clear English so you can understand every word. Now, let's begin. My family story. My name is Anna. I am 11 years old. I live in a small, peaceful town with my family. We are not a big family, but we are very close. I have one younger brother. His name is Tom. He is 7 years old. Tom is funny, loud, and always running around the house. Sometimes he makes me angry, but most of the time he makes me laugh. My parents are kind and gentle people. My mother's name is Sarah. She has long brown hair and warm eyes. She works as a nurse in the town hospital. Every morning she wakes up early, but she always gives us a big smile before she leaves for work. My father's name is Daniel. He is tall and strong. He works as a carpenter. He makes tables, chairs, and beautiful wooden toys. The smell of wood is always on his clothes, and I love that smell. It makes me feel safe. Our home is small, but it feels warm because we fill it with love. There is a garden behind our house. My mother grows flowers there, and my father grows tomatoes and carrots. My brother and I play near the garden every evening. One special memory I want to tell you happened on a sunny Sunday. My father told us he had a surprise. He asked us to go to the backyard. My brother ran first, of course. I followed him. When we reached the garden, my father was standing next to something covered with a white cloth. "Are you ready?" he asked. We nodded. He slowly pulled the cloth away, and under it was the most beautiful wooden treehouse I had ever seen. My mouth opened in surprise. My brother screamed with joy. The treehouse was small, but it had a tiny window, a little door, and even a small balcony. My father smiled and said, "I built this for both of you, a place for stories, dreams, and secret plans." That day, we spent hours climbing, playing, and imagining adventures. My mother brought us lemonade. We sat in the treehouse and felt like we were on top of the world. In the evening, when the sun was orange and soft, I looked at my family from the window. My parents were talking quietly. My brother was trying to catch a butterfly. The air was warm, and the garden smelled like flowers and fresh wood. At that moment, I understood something. A family does not need to be perfect. A family does not need to be big. A family only needs love and a little time together. And that is my favorite story about my family. A story I will remember forever.